Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Tuesday, 29 July 2025, Nifty index opened on a negative note and witnessed volatile swings in the first hour as the index attempted to reclaim the 24,900 marks. However, bears quickly took control and dragged the index lower for the rest of the session. Sustained selling pressure resulted in a decline of over 200 points from the day's high. On the daily chart, it formed a bearish candle with a longer upper shadow, highlighting the dominance of bears at the higher levels, and closed the session with losses of around 150 points. The index is now forming a pattern of lower highs and lower lows from the last three trading sessions, indicating a short-term downtrend. India VIX was up by around 7% to 12 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.64. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,200 to 25,200, while immediate range is in between 24,400 to 24,900. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 5,876 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 6,600 crores. FII's long-short ratio increased to 14.5 levels. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 24,800, weakness could be seen towards 24,442 marks, while resistances have shifted lower to 25,000 levels. Till Bank Nifty holds below 56,250, some weakness could be seen towards 55,555, while hurdle can be seen at 56,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Cipla, Syngene, Norris Labs, SBI Life, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy and Torrent Pharma, while some weakness could be seen in Reliance, Oberoi Realty, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, MCX and IRCTC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.